headlines. Chief Minister directs authority concerned to beef up security in airport and border areas. BJP Manipur Pradesh stages sit-in demonstration in protest against Pulwama terror attack. And many people below poverty line still deprived of government benefits. Hello, you're watching Times of Manipur English News. Now the news in detail. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh today said that he has given instruction to all concerned to take up additional security measures at Imphal International Airport, police stations and border areas. He informed this while handing over of 179 Nepali men and women who were being brought to the state illegally to the Nepal Authority at Indoor Stadium, Khuman Lampak. Officials of the State Welfare Department, Manipur Police and Nepal Embassy were present during the event. They were officially handed over to the Nepal Embassy officials after their documents were thoroughly checked. It may be mentioned that the 179 people from Nepal were recently arrested by the state police in a suspected case of human trafficking. CM Biren described the incident as the biggest human rescue in the country. He lamented that Manipur has started experiencing human trafficking incidents which were often reported in other parts of the world. The Chief Minister also hailed the Manipur Police, the Social Welfare Department and the NGO for their success in rescuing the people hailing from Nepal on time. In order to prevent such incidents in future, it has been instructed that alert should be maintained at crucial places, including the airport, he said.
And I am really glad and thanks to the Almighty God for giving us a chance to save the life of the many innocent girls, women, boys. So I really thanks, and I want to appeal through this medium that all the police checkposts might be in the airport, might be in the border areas of the state or the border area of the country. We should be very alert so that we can save such innocent peoples from trafficking to the abroad or somewhere.
Referring to the incident, Nepal Embassy Consular Prakash Adhikari said the Nepal government would look into the matter. He also thanked the Manipur government for providing information about the incident to the Nepal authorities on time.
We are so much happy that the Manipur government provided the service to us in terms of our nationals, how they are kept in different shelter homes. We are so much happy how they manage this in a very crucial time. In a short period, 179 people can be managed. It's difficult. Everyone knows. Even the government has took very good initiation. The Manipur government took a very good initiation, and they managed to keep all these people in a happily.
After the meeting between Government of Manipur and leaders of Manpak at the CM N. Biren's bungalow yesterday, Manipur police have started arresting the protesters of CAB in Manipur. One of the protesters of Wangjing area of Thoubal district was arrested by Thoubal police in the wee hours earlier today. The arrested protester has been identified as Chalish Thangjam 34, son of late Thangjam Shyamo of Lamding, Nasikong Lekai. People protested against the arrest and demanded his release by blocking the National Highway 102 Imphal More Road at Wangjing from early morning today. As Konika condemned the arrest of CAB protesters, she demanded unconditional release of Kalish and said that they will launch protest if not so.
Manpak makata kepti mayok ta khurung jangjan luba miwe ma thangjam Charles soba ei kunthanga suba miwe ma ngasi mayum dagi pharga pupre ma gasi kari damak ta phari bano maram puthopiu maram di maha gasi phaba targa di Manpak makata khurung jangjan luba khoi sing asi mathang phara ka dori bra akhoi yum da leiba ngamdre maram aduna masi phari bagi maram thuna puthopiu masi puthokta ba targa di akan khurung jangjan lakani aduga men koina sing balam kumbane na lawre BJP na milasi pasta hauta bagi akhoi da mathang laman khumi bra hai base akhoi thamoida akiba phawre
It may be mentioned that while protesting against CAB under the leadership of Manpak in Wangjing area, the protesters barged in the residence of MLA of Wangjing Tentha constituency, Paunam Brojen, and pelted stones at the BJP Wangjing Tentha Mandal office, which used to be the MLA's residence. Protesters held placards reading, "Don't make personal attempts. We condemn arrest of CAB protesters," and CAB protest was not a personal protest. Later, police released Kalish, considering the vulnerable situation. Meanwhile, MLA Paunam Brojen has clarified that the arrest of Charles Thangjam Singh of Lamding, Nasikhong Lekai by Thoubal police has nothing to do with him. The MLA was away in Delhi to meet the leaders at center over CAB issue when the women folk and the protesters come to meet the MLA for CAB. Later, the doors and windows of his vacant home at Wangjing Bazaar were vandalized along with the rent-out shop. The door of the BJP Wangjing Tentha Mandal office was broken, things were burnt and the office signboard was destroyed. Yet, MLA Brojen has not reported it, as it was a social issue. He has appealed not to upload anything on social media without his name, using his name without proper information. BJP Manipur Pradesh staged sit-in protest in front of Manipur State Central Library, Kashampat, against the death of 40 CRPF Jawans at Pulwama district of Jammu and Kashmir on 14th of this month. MLA's party leaders of various cells and workers took part in this sit-in protest. Speaker of BJP Manipur Pradesh, Professor S. Tiken, said that the world condemns the terrorist attack on the Indian Army. The state also condoled and showed respect to the martyred Jawans. The party also took part in the mourning.
Condemn to a national program among Sarukamoina, BJP Manipur Pradesh, Koigi office among Sidesha, Dugumba, Mihata Dugi, Mayokta, Adu, Koina Masikita protestama, sit-in protestama. I'm the peaceful among the Pangtokana, Masina Signalama, Sigma Tabasima Tunda, Mukana Totanaba, Aduga, all communities, Senta, Sigumba, Soba, Koigi, Tawaidaba, Tawaidaba, terrorist Tabagase. Subsana Tenagatabi period to Saruka Masuina, Koimasi sit-in protest Pangtok 7.
It's time for a short break. We'll be back with more news.
Furniture industry da chahi tara manga hen experience leiraba Mobile Furniture ngasi Manipur da chahi mari mapung fana retail stores ani na miyam gi seva pijari. Miyam service vertical sing asigi khudong chaw lobi. Nasimug Lengchin Biroxi, Mobile Furniture, Cooperative near Fall Quarters.
Manipur the ihan going Hamduksaba Green Can Industries, Masida commercial kitchen equipments, Amadi, bakery item, Makhal Sunakal Virgani.
We're very thankful for Green Cane Industries and what they have done for us so far. So together, we think Green Cane Industries is the best.
We believe in the service of Green Cane Industries.
Green Cane Industries is the best.
And Green Cane Industries is the best.
Green Cane Industries gi after sales services si amna pending hour entrepreneurs sing Green Cane Industries that depend over yani have say good as
We trust only Green Cane Industry. Green Cane Industry is the best.
We love the quality of Green Cane Industry. Green Cane Industries is the best.
Green Cane Industries is the best.
Agum so mutang Lengchin Birakuna, Akupamarol Gidamakta, Tanabu, Aikogi address, Green Cane Industries, Mahangum Lekai, SBI ATM building. Green Cane Industries for better baking.
The Great Wedding Sale by Mobile Furniture.
Panthoibi embroidery da hauzik miyamna yamna pamna riba top, blouse, fanek, sengau, porloi amadi kangkhal na chingba, luhongbada changba khudingmak amadi nupi oibi singi akemaugi potlam khudingmak ahongba mamalda fangbiragani, loinana order su luxury. Lengsin biro ngasimak Panthoibi embroidery Sagolban Khamnam Bazar opposite Oriental College Imphal. Contact number 700-540-2267.
Welcome back. In a very rare incident that happened to one Laishram Bashan's life, he came down shattered after both his wife and son became blind from some illness. And now he is seeking assistance from the state government for medical treatment for his wife and son. Laishram Bashan, along with his wife Thoibi and 3 children, came to Imphal to earn livelihood. After his wife and son became deaf and blind, and the poor man is now facing serious hardships at Chairen Lengang village of Bishnupur district, it is learned that his wife and son were able to see earlier. However, due to some illnesses, Thoibi and her son finally met with the tragedy. The family is now living in a makeshift shelter which was built by the neighbors after their piece of land was sold to meet the treatment expenses. And as such, it literally bothers Roshan when he thinks about the future of his 2 daughters, Roshibina and Roji, besides worrying over the lives of his blind and deaf wife and son.
Sarkar ki maigaidagi aina pamjabadi laukhotpa yaba pangba yaba mateng khara pangbiyo haidana kaisu khangjadabani akhode aduna kai karino khara athuba matamda pangbiyo haidana sarkar ki maigaidagi haijari.
His son Roshan, who is preparing for his standard 10th examination, expressed his desire to continue with his further studies after getting treatment, and he believes he could see again since he was not blind from birth.
Michi doctor na aham na di mo ketse hai khet pajeda paisa do laita brina ina khet padi ngam ge imano me amarok tege aina min udre laije thamang amuk sur moin phone de dum tawbi de aina di me amarok te yaw de ngam de ke kuisale.
Roshan emotionally said that he is really worried thinking about his family condition and made an appeal to the Chief Minister to extend help to his family.
Leitalare khangba Honorable CM na aibu doctor da amtang pubidana layeng miradi punsi kaujaro saro.
It is saddening to see Bashan's present family condition. Moreover, the sights of his 2 little daughters helping their helpless mom and brother is truly heart-melting. As of now, they are not getting any support from the government in terms of medicines and treatment, except for a little help from the neighbors. However, Bashan is hopeful and positive in his heart that the state government and big-hearted individuals will come forward and help him. With an objective of providing livelihood by promoting self-employment for women, a meeting was held at Chairen Lengang Tabi Community Hall yesterday. Advisor to CM and the candidate for the upcoming Lok Sabha election, Dr. R.K. Rajan, BJP Imphal District President L. Kamni, President of BJYM Imphal East, Loitongbom Japan and other eminent personalities attended the meeting, which was organized mainly by the women folk of the area. Dr. R.K. Rajan appealed to cultivate the habit of working to increase earning. He said he will plan to construct a handloom center in the area. Later, they extended help to Laishram Basan of Chairen Lengang, who has been living in a poor condition. Dr. R.K. Rajan said that he will request the authorities concerned to provide Basan with health card, ration card and other necessities.
koi BJP gi leriba social welfare scheme mayam si makada housing gi khangde aduga laikai si lam sigi concern MLA honorable MLA koi gi tamobira ga tanaraga yum sabagi oiro aduga ration card ki oiro Chief Minister ki haksel ki tengmang oiro masi koi phangan janaba athubo matam da honorable MLA ga tanazaraga koi thuna sinjage na khanjari.
A team of Imphal West commando arrested one cadre of the band outfit KCP in front of Raj Medicity, North AOC yesterday. He is said to be involved in issuing threat to different Catholic schools and planting of bomb at the gate of Catholic school Kanchipur on 14th of this month. The arrested cadre has been identified as Sanabam Gunajit Ngongo, 42, son of S. Debajit from Uripok, Kabrabam, Lekai. As per a source from police, a team led by Imphal West Additional SP Ops TH Krishna Tombi conducted a frisking and checking last afternoon in the surrounding area of North AOC after receiving an information that one suspected cadre of the band outfit KCP People's War group was hiding in the locality area. The police arrested him on the spot. Upon police interrogation, it came to know that he joined the group in 2017 through a self-styled finance secretary of the outfit, namely Thao Luang. Further, it also came to light that he is responsible for threatening every Catholic schools in Imphal over seeking 20% quota from each school during admission. It is further learned that the outfit planted the bomb which was found in front of Catholic school Kanchipur on 14th of this month. One Samsung smartphone, one MI Redmi 5, a mobile handset, an Airtel SIM card along with one Vodafone SIM card were recovered from the arrested cadre, who was later handed over to Imphal police station along with the recovered items. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.
Lamjingba Group na Manipur da lairiba Assembly Constituency Humpudagi Mathauda Pukning Changba Public Relationship Executive Post ki miyoi amamam lawjagadori mahigi thak yamdrabada graduation oigedabani akupa marol gidama contact tobiro at 131944063 amukasu at 131944063 aikoi gi address Lamjingba Group Rims Road Imphal phone number at 131944063.
Musicians, singers, dancers, rappers, actors, comedians, any talent. The stage is waiting for you to showcase your hidden talent all over India through Mega Talent Show on Lamjingba Times of Manipur private satellite television channel, which is available at Tata Sky. Prizes: winner ₹1 lakh, first runners-up ₹80,000, second runners-up ₹50,000, 7 consolation prizes. Audition on 30th, 31st March, 1st and 2nd April 2019. Last date of enrollment 15 March 2019. Forms available at Tom Office, Uripok and a college near you. Call 940-299-1938.
Manipur gi ahanba 24/7 cab service oriba Lamjingba cab service na miyam gi seba da leizari apamba service khanbiu. Economy rate ₹15 per kilometer, standard rate ₹25 per kilometer, luxury rate ₹55 per kilometer. Manipur gi district singi maruaina Mau, Senapati, Ukhrul, Manipur gi mapal gi lamsing loinana luhongba madi atai thodok singi damakta akhanaba discount pizari. Hena kupamarol gi dama contact tobiro 1800-1027-959 amadi 8794613154. Ekhogi website www.lamjingbacap.com.
Welcome back. Considering the frequent incidents of planting and hurling of bombs in several places of the state, Imphal West District Police is taking up extra precautionary measures in and around the city in the effort to thwart such incidents. Under the supervision of Additional SP Operations of Imphal West District Police T.H. Krishnatombi, a team of District Police Commando Bazaar Unit conducted massive search drive at different places of the city like Alugali in Thangal Kaithel, Dharamsala and Roopmahal Tank Road, which are under the jurisdiction of City Police Station today. The drive was started from 7:50 and continued till 8:30 this morning. Altogether, 748 persons were verified, out of which 22 persons failing to produce proper ID proofs were handed over to the city police for further verification. MLA of Sagolban Assembly Constituency R.K. Imo laid foundation stone for new office building of United Club at Sagolban, Kurau Makhong, Laikai today. Senior citizens of the area, Maira Paibis, youths and members of the club attended the foundation stone laying ceremony. Addressing the gathering, MLA R.K. Imo said the building will have a multi-storied structure due to lack of enough space. The MLA assured that he will extend all possible help to complete the new building at the earliest.
Sugumba multi-story club building sigi ngasi foundation stone yungiba mathak makha multi-story structure malingatpa darka taba yamna tangai padana masi minimum akoi darka tabrina masi same dabya de haidana ayamba akoina changbasi matham kha sarpasina paisa su hena changbe hele chumnagi club building am sabse lak ranga kun kun mangana dum kona bangami community olam sarsu la kontra ngana dum kona bangami adubu multi story he yaropada sat haibam yaropanina structure ama lingalak matamda lak yankai humpu te yo aduna madugi su ko yengdabadi yade.
Chairman of Salai Holdings Private Limited, Narengbam Samarjit, handed over the newly constructed Jubilee Hall of Sagolban Tera Amudon Akham Laikai Welfare Club to the public yesterday. It is worth mentioning that Salai Group has solely sponsored the construction of the Jubilee Hall. Speaking to the inaugural function, Samarjit said the word unity is merely a word in today's society. As such, all the club in the state should make united efforts to cultivate unity and brotherhood among the people of various communities. The blessing-seeking ceremony of the third upcoming digital feature film produced by Yaibi Mami Taibang Aigi Gate Pass was held at Inamung Park at Yaripok Tok Chingtha, Imphal East today. Senior artist Habam Imo, renowned dramatist Yumlembam Gauradas, air-approved singer Nirjit Kumar and image journal Rajan Salam were the main guests at the ceremony. The anniversary of Kishan, Token and Rajan was observed at Ningshikhol Park today. The observance was organized by Manil, chairman of Manil S. Tikendrajit, and retired IAS K. Radha Kumar were the main guests at the observance. Those who attended the observance offered floral tributes at the memorial sites of the departed souls. As part of the observance, the Roop Rag band dedicated a song in memory of the three departed souls. Leaders of various CSOs of the state, women leaders, family and relatives of the three deceased also attended the observance. Addressing the observance, leader of Manil Y. Kapoor said, people still remember the three leaders who were brutally murdered. Manil swears that the people will never forget the courage of the brave hearts.
Sahitara asida awaba nungaiba phajaba athiba seitheng kaya akoi uzaraba matungda ngasi akoina declaration amasu ngasigi mifam asida thamjagani February gi tang 13 English ngani ka sumna mapal da thokiba NSN IM gi tamthirba lautuna ba mihata thawai pikham na khraba athoba mapari ahumna laukhiba achetpa wakhalon adugi mami adu ngasi su lamda masigi miyam da tari haibasimadi lengba yadraba wafamni.
Progressive Development Association Maklang Makha Laikai organized a one-day free medical camp under the aegis of Seva Bharti Manipur National Medicos Organization at Maklang Makha Laikai today. A number of locals were benefited by availing checkups and free treatment. Free medicines were also distributed at the camp. MLA S. Rajan of Lamsang Assembly Constituency, Zilla Parishad member of Awangkuno, and Pramo, advisor of Progressive Development Association W. Gopal, and PDA advisor Y. Shangi Singh were the main guests. Achaubi, a local resident of Maklang Makha Lekai, expressed happiness on getting such facilities. Now let's have a look at some of the top newspaper headlines.
The Sangai Express. R.K. Anand, Navakishore 2 join race for Congress ticket. Naga peace talks in advanced stage. Mossad advisors arrest draws acidic outcry. Catholic school rallies against bomb threat. The People's Chronicle. CAV review meet resolves to sustain campaign. Chief Minister stood against CAV from start, claims BJP. Cabinet approves Manipur Judicial Service Rules Amendment. Mossad advisor incited violence, rebellion, SP Imphal East. Manipur Mail, clash over declaration of bird sanctuary. All parties meet condemn attack.
Before we wrap up the top stories once again. Chief Minister directs authority concerned to beef up security in airport and border areas. BJP Manipur Pradesh stages sit-in demonstration in protest against Pulwama terror attack. And many people below poverty line still deprived of government benefits. Well, this is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.